Hi guys, welcome to the new video. And today I'm thinking to make a video on most important commands that we use during shell scripting. So yeah, let's go. So during shell scripting, we use various we know the command single commands, like if we have to take out the CPU utilization, we know we use top command. But just running top doesn't give the CPU utilization. In when we run top, we get the uh, like the batch of string or output coming. So how to get our desired output? We should know the most used commands that we use in shell scripting that helps you get the desired output. So today I have jotted out few of them, like grep, sed, awk, exec, xargs, cut, sort, wc, touch, cat, head, tail, rm, ls, chmod. So basically, if we know the uses of these command, we can easily it can make our life easy, and we can easily get the desired output in just few seconds. So grep is basically used when we have to get the uh, matching pattern, or whatever pattern that we are giving. We need to fetch something related to that pattern. Then we use grep. Grep means to fetch. Okay, so we can use multiple option with this, like hyphen c, which prints a count of line that match the pattern that we are giving here. Hyphen I, which means ignore case. Whatever pattern we are giving, we should ignore the case, and if whatever the case we are finding, if it is matching the pattern, it should give that output. Hyphen N, match line and their line numbers. Hyphen V, print out all the lines that do not matches the pattern. So yeah, we can explore more options for this, and we can use it during our shell scripting. Then sed, it's a very powerful command which is stream editor. It doesn't perform one action, it perform multiple. Like we can perform substituting, we can perform delete, we can perform insert using this sed command. So we can use option, like for substituting we should use s, for deleting we should use d, and for inserting we should use I. So basically, according to our requirements, set can be used in various way. So there is a pattern that, like, there is a format where we have to give backslash, where we have to give forward slash, where we have to give like asterisk for matching the pattern. We should explore that out. It's a very powerful tool. If you command, if you get, like, you should try writing few like small scripts, like getting the CPU utilization of your server, or like moving the, like renaming the file, or a few commands like these. So it will help you, like, and use these commands. Whatever are you learning, use these command in your script, so you'll get the idea of it, and whatever issue that you will face, you will try to resolve it, you will try to more explore it. So it will help you, and it will strengthen your shell scripting. Then in awk, so awk means pattern scanning in a file. It splits each input line into fields. So like if there is a line in our text file, like first line, this is Sakshi Gautam, so it will split this into $1, $2, $0, like this. So we can fetch that particular field for particular character or particular line. Then exec is basically command in Linux executes a command from the bash without creating a new process. Like when we use Docker, when we have to log in any pod, we use kubectl exec it. So it executes a command in the bash without running a new process. A new process id will not be created. xargs, I have explained in one of my video that it is also a very powerful command which helps in whatever output we are getting from one command, first command, we can pass it into the another command using xargs. So this we can use it like that. Cut, even exec can be used it like that, but exec and xargs are different. So exec is used before, like in our command, in our first command only, so that our command will be executed using exec. But xargs is used after the first command is executed, then the xargs command, whatever the command is given in xargs, that is used. Cut command in Linux is a command for cutting out the sections from each line of files and writing the result to standard output. So basically, we can cut the line according to the delimiter. We can mention that cut this line into like with this delimiter like space, comma, and then we can print it. We can print those command using awk or something. So you can try the combination of awk and cut. Then sort command basically sorts the content of the file. We can even sort the content in reverse order, like descending order. So yeah, wc is word count. So wc hyphen l lines, wc hyphen c count, wc hyphen word words. Touch is basically creating the document file. Cat, it displays the content of file. So guys, I would like you to answer in the comment section who that there is one way to create a file using cat command. So can you give me the syntax for that in comment section? So let's go. Let's see who all will try. Then there is a head command, so it read few lines of the starting. We can even give the line numbers like head minus n5 or whatever line numbers. Tail, it reads the last line. It can even read the floating lines, like whatever the updated lines are there, which are updated recently. That also we can grep using hyphen f. Then rm means remove, ls means list, chmod means change or modify permission. So every directory, every file that we are creating, it is created with default permissions. Okay, like we have three types of use, like three we are assigning a permission to user, then groups, and then others. So we can change the rewrite, we can give read write execute access to our user, our group, or others, and accordingly we can change it using chmod. So there, like our read correspond to four code, write correspond to 2, and execute corresponds to 1. So if we have to give all the access to one, to any of the user, we have to add all this, like read 4, write 2, and execute 1, so it will sum up to 7. So it means that if we have to give any user all the access, we have to give 7. Then group, also if all x is 7, then others 7. So our command will look like chmod 777 2 and the file name. So it means that this will give all the read write execute permission to every user, group, and others on that file or that directory. So in this way we can change permissions or modify permissions using chmod. And maybe there can be root privileges required for it, so that we can check. So basically these are few of the commands which I felt that they are that you should know for shell scripting. And try these out, try to implement it by writing small shell scripts. And also please comment down what I said, that what is the way to create a file using cat command. So yeah. And also guys, one I have to tell you one thing, like I'm not promoting anything, but checked it out that there's code cloud, which is like many times we don't have we cannot install everything on our laptop. The To remove this hassle, we have code cloud labs, so which is for free. So I think If you want, you can check that out. You can check the DevOps course for Code Cloud, and if you think that it's good for you, you can check that out. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.